Okay, so it was a very wonderful session for me, especially because I'm not very old at a people manager role. So it was a great opportunity to discover more leadership aspects in my personality and clear my thoughts and doubts upon it. So keep up the good work, and I really appreciate the content and the effort you put it out of all of the process. Thank you so much.
Yeah, hi. So the training was actually, I believe, very good. It enabled me to explore new avenues of my personality that I did not know even existed. So especially the Tomo concept and the Febi concept, I actually had no idea these things, and I'm excited to maybe work on these things to create a positive impact on my life and of course on the life of my team as well.
Hello, so the program was quite engaging for us, and I think the best part about this program was the framework that they shared, and I think we can implement that in our daily lives, and that can help us to manage our team better. So overall it was a very good experience for this program.
It was a wonderful experience with you guys, and it was a really interactive session we have attended today, and there were a lot of new things, and definitely we will implement in our company, in our process as well. So actually we have been going through a lot of sessions before, but the way you have given this training today, it was really wonderful, and the presentation skills were up to the mark, and the way you have interacted with each of us, it was really nice. So thank you very much for this wonderful session, and hope we'll have a same session in future again.
I think the training was very good, and the major problem which this training tackle is about the alignment of your job description with the organization task, and I think this is the biggest challenge in today's industry. So this training tackles that problem very well.
अच्छा, थैंक यू कामिल और आपकी टीम। आज मुझे मौका इतना ज़्यादा नहीं मिला, मैं 2 और ग़लबन 3 टाइम्स आके पूरी ग्रुप डिस्कशन और एक्सरसाइज को देखता रहा हूँ। सो व्हाट आई हैव नोटिस्ड कि पूरी टीम बहुत ज़्यादा एंगेज थी, और जिस किसी से भी आप क्वेश्चंस वगैरह करते थे तो उनका आंसर जो होता था वो रेलेवेंट आपकी जो भी डिलीवरी क्वेश्चंस होते थे उनके मुताबिक होता था, तो दैट इज़ गुड। दूसरा एंगेजमेंट पार्ट जो है कि फॉर एग्जांपल लोग आपको रिवर्स चैलेंजिंग क्वेश्चन करते थे, दैट इज़ आल्सो द एरिया आई लाइक मोस्ट के। और दूसरा ये है कि लोगों में फियरनेस नहीं थी। जिस तरह मैं बता रहा था कि हमारी ऑडियंस में सारी पॉपुलेशन यंगस्टर की है, और इसमें अगर आप एवरेज एक्सपीरियंस देखें तो गैसिंग के कोई 2-3 साल का होगा। तो इस पॉपुलेशन के लिए आज का जो डे था, जो इन्होंने आप लोगों और आपकी टीम के साथ स्पेंड किया है, it will pay long in their career. So whatever they have learned today, ये once अपनी जब working benches पे जाएंगे तो वो will see the impact of today's training or skill, what they have gone through, जो इन्होंने यहाँ से आज के दिन सीखा।